But sir is going to present 30 MCQ question and answers on the approach my greatest Olympic prize. I believe you will enjoy it. If any problem, you may ask the question. Come to first question. Jesse Owens was an American track and field athlete who was good at high jump and long jump, sprint race and long jump, high jump and 100-meter race, sprint race and high jump. Really, a new word has been added, sprint race, that put you into problem. The athlete who is good at 100 meter, 200 meters long jump, high jump, 4 into 100 meter relay race is called sprint race. So, if you think about four options, B is accurate because he is good at 100 meter, 200 meter, 300 meter, 400 meters, and long jump. Answer is B. Second question. How many medals did Jesse bag in 1936 Olympics? 1, 2, 3, 4. Really, it is not written in your units 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go to introducing the author, you will really the answer is not unit 1, unit 2 or unit 3. The answer is in the introducing the author. It is clearly mentioned that Verdi achieved international fame by winning 4 gold medals. So the answer is D. Come to question number 3. In 1936, the Olympic Games was held in Germany, Berlin, America, done. You must have marked the singular bar was is in question. So Olympic Games is a collective noun. If it shows the unit, the whole unit, singular verb is used. If it is divided, then plural verb is used. Just like I like to give one example. India are 200 rounds and 5. When we think of a unit, singular verb is used. So all the games, the Olympic game was held in Germany. So the answer is A. I like to give you one example. India is 200 rounds in fast innings. India were 200 for 5 in fast innings. Again came the peculiar question. In 1936, the Olympic Games were held in before that question number 3, it was, but it is where. If you think was is a collective noun, Germany, but if it is divided, if you divide the games, some games were held in Berlin, so answer is B. So what do you mean Master X? Iron race is superior than Negro? No. Iron race is superior to all other races in the Olympics? No. Iron race is superior to all other races in the world. Iron race is superior than all other races, the races in the world. So there is a grammatical 1 and 2 are rejected. Come on to CD. Really, according to Hitler, Aryan race is superior to all other races in the world. Our Aryan race is superior than all other races in the world. Superior, junior, senior, inferior, these words always use to. So answer is C. You know very well, Owls replied, I was not too worried all this. Here this refers to Hitler's ideology and belief, Hitler's belief and nationalist feeling, Hitler's belief and childish nature, Hitler's ideology and national. Really, all the answers look right, but the actual answer is Hitler's ideology and nationalist feeling. Nationalistic feeling is really the nationalistic feeling was high at that time. So the answer is D. The same statement, question number 7, the same statement, but question is different. I was not too worried about all this. Why did Jesse Owens say so? He said so because he was a Negro. B. He had received a good training, labored hard in angry manner. He had received a good training, labored hard in a disciplined manner. D. None. Really, he had received a good training, labored hard in a disciplined manner. Because it is clearly mentioned, I had trained, sweated, and disciplined myself. So the correct answer is C. So students, give importance to the question and the statement and question. So the correct answer is C. Come to question number 8. Jesse Owens disliked Adolf Hitler because he patronized Louis Long, a rival of Jesse. He had kept Louis Long hidden from other Olympic. He suffered from vanity by organizing the games in Berlin. He advocated the theory of Aryan supremacy. Which one is correct? Really, there is a change. D in place of D, C. So you give importance to the answer, not the A, B, C, D. Really, he patronized Louis Long, it is wrong. He kept Louis Long hidden from other Olympics. He did not know, suffered from vanity. No, so answer is C. Everyone comes to the competition or games for a hope of taking something. So Jesse had also a hope. Before arrival in Germany, what could Jesse think about? Taking home the medal on the long jump, taking home the medal on the high jump, taking home one good medal, taking one or two gold medals. We discussed earlier that is different, but in contest, in unit, it is the answer. Really, before coming to German, he had hoped to take one or two gold medals. As a university student, Jesse had set a record of 26 feet 8.014 inches, 26 feet 8.41 inches, 26 feet 8.1 inches, 26 feet 8.14 inches. Really, it is clearly mentioned, no discussion. The answer is C. I'm going to ask a very peculiar question in relation to question number 10, but it's slightly different. As a university student, he had set a record of 8.12 meter, 8.13 meters, 7.09 meters, 7.15 meters. So answer is 8.1. Question number 12. Everyone kind of expected me to win that Olympic game event hands down. What do you mean hands down? Hands down means with a little effort, a positive. With a little effort, it is also positive. With a little effort, negative. With hard effort, more. Really, a little and the little refer to positive, but little refers to negative. People believed that Jesuits would win the match without any effort, with less effort, which is negligible. So the answer is C. Jesse Owens could not clear two of the three long jump trials because he was nervous. B. He was overconfident. He was angry over the master's theory of Adolf Hitler. 4. He feared that Louis Long, a German athlete, might beat him at the finals. So the answer is C. Really, why the answer is C? He was angry over the master race. An angry athlete, anger is the worst enemy of an athlete. An angry athlete is an athlete who will make mistakes. So he lost two of the three long jump trials. So the answer is C. Really, it is the most valuable statement. The important thing in the Olympic Games is winning medals, taking part, playing tricks to give trials. Really, the answer goes to B. Really, winning medals is not aim. Taking part is very important, so the answer goes to B. One should remember this sentence is helpful in his career. The essential thing in life is fighting well, is conquering, earning money, winning prize. When life is a struggle for existence, if you fight well, everything will be in your hand. Winning prize, earning money, conquering, these are a very easy thing. One can get at any time, but fighting well is essential. So answer is A. Owens did not want Louis Long to win because he wanted to retain the world record he had set. That would have added some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. It would disappoint him after long years of training. So, definitely the answer goes to B. Jesse Owens was angry because he was not allowed to take part in the event. He had not qualified himself for the event. Negroes were supposed to be inferior to Aryans. Germans were not superior to all other races of the world. Really, he was allowed to take part. He had not qualified, so he was frustrated. He was angry. That is the question. Really, Negroes were supposed to be inferior to Aryans. Germans were not superior to all other races of the world. Really, if you think about four options, the important option goes to C. Answer is C. It is a very easy question. Jesse Owens was an American Negro. a great long distance runner, a great German sportsman? None. Really, whatever it may be, first of all, he was an American Negro. So answer is A. It is too easy question. Written in the first sentence, Olympic Games were held in Berlin. Where held in? So definitely any student can answer that it is in 1936. The answer goes to B. In the beginning, Jesse Vance was a little angry at himself due to failure, or at Louis or Hitler's ways, or his coach. There is no way of angriness on A, B, D. So the answer goes to C. Yeshua, the great Olympian, couldn't jump properly in the beginning because he was in tension. He did not know how to jump properly. He did not want to jump. He was ill. What will be the correct answer? Really, he was in tension. Tension ruins everything. Come on to very important question. Hitler believed in the equality of all races, superiority of German race, superiority of English race, superiority of his followers. Really, he always believes that German is the superior to all the races. The answer is B. Yeshua believed that his greatest Olympic prize was the medal he received, the money he received, the friendship with Louis, the defeat of Hitler's belief. Before Jesuits, A, B, D are nothing. So answer goes to C. Louis Long was a real sportsman because he was tall, well-built, good sportsman. B, his main object was defeating others and winning the medals. His main object in games was not defeating others but fighting well. D, he won the heart of Jesuits. What is the correct answer? A real sportsman does not hunger for prize or medal. He always wants to help others. He always wants to fight well. So answer goes to C, that's fighting well. Here's a natural question. The Olympic Games in 1936 were held in Germany, Berlin, Japan, China. You come to Germany and Berlin. Where is their show? Berlin. A nice question. I was in for a surprise means really if you take this question lightly, it has no meaning, so to say. But being for, was is be born. Being for is an idiom. And in and for are not used as a preposition. Being for is an idiom. So I was in for a surprise means Jesse was a surprise in the Olympic as a Negro. He was surprised at seeing the Olympic ground in this unfavorable time. He was surprised to the Hitler's ideology. He was going to show a surprise to the world in the crucial time. So if you think about idiom's meaning, the answer goes to D. He entered the ground to show a surprise to the world in this crucial time. Because everybody wants a prize from him. So answer goes to D. Startled means shocked, in surprise, greatly surprised in fear of nationalism, greatly pleased and surprised, greatly disgusted and amazed. Really, if you think about this, greatly disgusted and amazed is the correct answer. Under ropes, it is also an idiom. Under ropes means underground, under folding cloth, under hand, under hiding place. Really, under ropes means secret or under hand. The answer goes to C. I like to answer the grammar preposition. From your book, it is written in the book, the tall boy hit the pit, dash almost 6 feet, dash is practice match. On in, at in, on at on. So, the tall boy hit, answer is really answer is go to say at almost on his practice match. On in is wrong, at in is wrong. So the correct answer goes to D, at almost 26 feet on his practice match. It is also an idiom, hot under color. Color means short color. Yeah, hot. Really, hot under color means it was too hot day. No, he felt hot. No, really it shows angry feeling. Answer goes to D.